Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome back to our important YouTube channel. So welcome you all. So now friends, we are going to discuss a very important questions on current banking and financial awareness of September month. So this lecture is part 2. So this is second lecture, and if you want to watch first lecture, then you can take that link in the description section, and also you can find out in playlist. Now let's start our second session, that with 17th question onwards. Now next question says, who has been appointed as the new CEO of Ujian Financial Services? Ujian Financial Services. Now the options are, let's see the options first. Options are A. Arunava Banerjee, B. Ajay Kanwal, C. Nitin Chugh, D. Sanjeev Barnal. In none of these. Friends, the right answer is option D. It is Sanjeev Barnwal. Sanjeev Barnwal has been appointed as new CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Ujian Financial Services. This Ujian Financial Services is the holding company of Ujian Small Finance Bank. Now Ujian now it became the Small Finance Bank now. So this is the holding company. Now next question says, who among the following has been appointed as a new CEO, Chief Executive Officer of Yahoo? Now its options are A. Renate Neuberg, B. William Ruto, C. Scott Kessler, D. Jim Langone. In of these. Friends, the web service provider, it is Yahoo. So where Yahoo has named Jim Langone. So option D, Jim Langone as its new CEO, Chief Executive Officer on September 10th of this month. It is September 10th. So from September 10th onwards, he became CEO of Yahoo. So Yahoo is a web service provider. Now next question says, the nFiNi credit card facility has been launched by which company for fintechs and banks? The nFiNi credit card facility has been launched by which company for fintech and banks? Which is options? Options are A. NPCI, B. PNB, Punjab National Bank, C. SBI, D. ICICI Bank. Friends, nFiNi, it is a new credit card facility. So this facility launched by NPCI, it is National Payments Corporation of India. So in a partnership with FinServ Incorporation, not FinServ, it is FSOC, FISERV, FinServ Incorporation. So to launch plug and play RuPay credit card stack, that is called nFiNi. It's called nFiNi. Now next question says, which subsidiary of ICICI Bank has ceased to function as subsidiary of the bank recently? So which subsidiary of ICICI Bank has ceased to function the subsidiary of bank recently? Options are A. ICICI Direct, B. ICICI Securities, C. ICICI Lombard, D. ICICI Prudential. Friends, ICICI Lombard is right answer for this question. So ICICI Lombard General Insurance has ceased to operate as a subsidiary of ICICI Bank. So earlier this ICICI Lombard works under ICICI Bank. So now it has been stopped. So as the shareholding of this ICICI Bank in the company has come down from 51.86% to 48%. So after the merger of this Bharti AXA with the ICICI Lombard. So both now merged ICICI and Lombard. So that's why now ICICI Bank has ceased their function as subsidiary of this ICICI Lombard. So option C is right answer for this question. It is ICICI Lombard. Now this question says, National Pension System Diwas, NPS Diwas on which day? They are asking NPS Diwas on which day. Options are A. October 1st, B. November 1st, D. December 1st, D. January 1st. In none of this. Friends, the Pension Fund Regulatory Authority PFRDA has announced to observe this NPS National Pension Diwas observed on 1st October. So option A is right answer, 1st October, as it has National Pension Diwas. So now they are calling as National Pension Diwas on which day? On October 1st. Now next one says, what shall be the maximum stake that can be held by PSBs and public FICs, public financial institutions, in the newly formed India Debt Resolution Company Limited. That is, this is like bad bank, no? So what is the maximum stake that can be held by PSBs and FIs? Now its options are 51%, 49%, 75% and 60%. And which are these? None of these. Yes, the public sector banks, the PSBs and financial institutions FIs will hold a maximum of 49%. So option B is right answer, 49% stake, while the remaining stake will be with the private lenders. So 49 will be with the will have SBI and PSBs, and remaining 51 may have with the private banks. Now next question says, RBI has recently removed which bank from its PCA restrictions. PCA abbreviation is Prompt Corrective Action. Now its options first. Options are A. IOB, Indian Overseas Bank, B. Central Bank of India, CBI, C. UCO Bank, D. All of the three, all of the above, and E. None of these. Friends, the Reserve Bank of India has recently announced that UCO Bank. So option C is UCO Bank. UCO Bank is the answer. UCO Bank has taken out from PCA. That is Prompt Corrective Action. So now only Indian Overseas Bank and Central Banks of India, Central Bank of India, remain under Prompt Corrective Action. That is PCA. So there are some restrictions. What is PCA means? If an RBI putting PCA on some any bank means, so bank cannot lend. PCA means some barricade like that. So the banks cannot lend and cannot do cannot cross certain limits restrictions given by RBI. That's it. Now next question says, who has been named as new MD and CEO of Export Import Bank of India, Exim Bank? Now which options? Options are A. Dinesh Kara, B. Harsha Bhupendra Bangare, C. Rakesh Sharma, D. Dinesh Kara. In others. Hence government has appointed Harsha Bhupendra Bangare. So option B is right answer. The government has appointed Harsha Bhupendra Bangare as MD and CEO of Exim Bank, Export Import Bank of India. Now next question says, which bank has recently announced the launch of digital FD facility on Google Pay app without the need to open account with the bank? So technology we have launched. So the asking question is, FD we can open in Google Pay, so without opening account. So which bank has launched this facility? These options are A. Federal Bank, B. Central Bank of India, C. UCO Bank, D. Equitas Small Finance Bank. In others. Friends, the right answer is option D. It is Equitas Small Finance Bank. So it has launched a new initiative in partnership with Google Pay. So under which it will enable the users of this Google Pay app now, so to open fixed deposits on Google Pay in under 2 minutes. So without having to open a bank account with this Equitas Small Finance Bank. So they tied up with Google Pay, so they can open FDs in this Google Pay app through Google Pay app. So option D is right answer. So it is the most important question. So through which app? So which bank has started this facility? This Equitas Small Finance Bank. Now next question says, name the new chairman cum managing director of United India Insurance Company, UIICL, appointed by ACC. ACC, it is Appointments Committee of Cabinet. Now the options are A. Girish Ramakrishnan, B. S.L. Tripathi, C. Nirlep Singh Rai, D. Saminathan, T. Saminathan. So option B is the answer, S.L. Tripathi. The Appointment Committee, so this ACC, so it is Cabinet Committee, has approved the appointment of Sri S.L. Tripathi as Chairman cum Managing Director of this UIICL, United India Insurance Company Limited. Now next one says, which bank has recently launched the first ever floating ATM on Houseboat in Dal Lake of Srinagar? So very interesting, no? So which bank has recently launched the first ever floating ATM on Houseboat? Now which options? Options are A. Federal Bank, B. Central Bank of India, C. UCO Bank, D. SBA. So State Bank of India has up. So options B is right answer. So this State Bank of India. State Bank of India has opened this floating ATM. So in Dal Lake, that is Dal Lake, in which place Dal Lake? It is in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. So the ATM was inaugurated on August 16. So the SBI chairperson, sorry, chairman Dinesh Kumar Kara, he has launched this part mobile ATM, not like mobile ATM, it is like a houseboat ATM. It is like floating ATM. Now next one says, which of these countries have been inducted as a new member country of New Development Bank (NDB) set up by BRICS nation? BRICS nation. So now it's the options. Options are A, all of the below. First we will see what are the B, Bangladesh, C, UAE, D, Uruguay. First we will try to know country names. BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, China, Sri Lanka. So these are comes under BRICS nations, no? So they have allowed the members to join in this BRICS nation. So they allowed 3 countries, that is Bangladesh, UAE, Uruguay. So option A, it is all the below is the right answer for this question. So this is this NBD, New Development Bank. It is a Shanghai based bank. It is development bank. So it has approved United Arab Emirates, UAE, and Uruguay, and Bangladesh. So as it is a new member countries. Now the next question says, who is the chairperson of Financial Stability and Development Council? FSDC, Financial Stability and Development Council Subcommittee. So who is the chairperson of this subcommittee? We'll see the options. Options are A, Prime Minister of India, B, Deputy Governor of RBI, C, Finance Ministry, D, RBI Governor, in another this. Friends, the right answer is option D, it is RBI Governor. So it must be noted that FSDC, Financial Stability and Development Council Subcommittee is chaired by Reserve Bank of India Governor, RBI Governor, Shaktikan Das, President. Now is the next question. Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, has got 3.9% of stake. So 3.9% of this shares, that much shares. So from which bank through acquired open market operations? So simply, LIC has bought 3.9% stake from which bank through open market acquisition on September 2nd, 2021. Which is the options first? Option A, Bank of India. Option B, Central Bank of India. Option C, UCO Bank. Option D, State Bank of India. Friends, the right answer for this question is, it is option A. It is of course Bank of India. So recently, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, has got 3.9% value of the stake. So that is 3.9% from Bank of India through open market acquisition. On which date? On September 2nd. So option A is the right answer for the question. It is Bank of India. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my Involving YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification to your mobile. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.